Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
I'm Stella.
Sarah, how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
How many people do you have in your family?
I have 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
Mom, Dad, my younger sister, and me.
That's great. What's your hobby?
My hobbies are swimming and singing.
Your hobbies are swimming and singing. Okay, Stella, let's talk about your dream house, okay? Where will your dream house be?
It will be on the mountain.
What type of house are you going to have?
My future house will be a villa.
A villa. How many rooms?
It will be about 4 rooms.
4 rooms. Okay, tell me, what appliances are you going to have in your dream house?
My future house will have
Robot,
and smart TV.
robot, and smart TV. Okay, let's talk about the 3 R's. What does that mean?
It means recycle, reduce, and reuse.
Good. Recycle, reduce, and reuse. What do you do to make your school greener?
I plant trees with my friends at school.
You plant trees, and that's a good thing. Okay, good. Let's talk about robot. What can a doctor robot do?
Dr. Robot can look after sick people.
Good. Teacher robot?
Teacher Robot can teach students.
They can teach students. That's good. Home robot.
Robot can do homework,
They can do
housework,
housework like
cleaning,
they can cook.
meal, iron clothes,
Okay.
cook floor.
Okay, cook meals, iron clothes, and clean the floor. That's good. What about worker robot?
Robot can build houses.
They can build houses
Build houses and move everything.
and move heavy things. Okay, Stella, that's a good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.